Hey guys, how you going? Beautiful day. Thought I'd get out and enjoy a little bit of the weather. It's a little bit windy today, but it is a little bit of sun out. Cleaned up the bike a little. It's running good. Let's give it a go. This is a fairly new trail, this one. So I'm going to take it easy through here. A little bit rocky and bouncy, but I went through on the BMX to sort of, scout it out a little. And it does end up where I want to go. Just weave in and out here. As you can see, pretty thick through here. Head through here. Here we go. So shoot through here. I dug this out the other day to make it a little bit nicer to get through. Today I'm going to be trying out a new cliffside trail. Hopefully all goes well. Basically, shoot along here. As you can see, quite a few trails that run up through there. It's pretty steep down there, so we do not want to end up down there. But as you can see, this is along the edge of the valley. So we're going to take it easy. We don't want to clip a rock or a tree and end up bouncing down the hill. That would not be fun. But basically, head along here. I came along here the other day on the BMX and cleared it out a bit. So far, as you can see, looks quite good. You can head down that way. I'm going to keep going though. A little bit of an angle here, so you got to watch what you're doing. Could be interesting in the wet. But basically, we want to head down that way. So, follow this little fence line here, through here, squeezing through. So far not too bad, it's handling it well. Yeah, so you can see there's a little trail through here, someone's been through here, and then, yeah, through here, down this patch. Head towards the tyre. I put that tyre there as a little marker, so you know where you're going. Now we want to shoot across to the left, through here. Basically just find your way through. You can see the empty paint can up there. Empty paint can, that's our next marker. And the next one should be a tyre sitting on a stripped out tree. There it is. So I thought I'd make a few markers like that to be able to get back. Just makes it a little bit easier to find your way home when you're in a bit of a pinch. You can go straight up there, but we're going to head down here. It's nice to have a bit of engine braking too on the 4-stroke. On the little scooter you don't get any of that. You just got to basically hold your brakes and hope for the best, really. Got a lot more control on a 4-stroke, it feels like. This is a 140cc too, so it's got a lot more torque than a 70cc 2-stroke. 70cc 2-stroke's really only good when you're thrashing it. Does a right little 180s. Turn that front wheel, lean outside, get to rotate. Hey mate, how's it going? I'm actually not going to wait around for that dude, because you never know what people are up to down here. he did look a little sus, so you know, I'm going to keep moving. Oh, let's who knows, maybe he's just having a walk, but you know what I mean. I'm down here by myself, and you know, if someone wanted to jump you, it'd be a bit of a crap day really. Like I said, I don't have that much trust for people hanging around here. Bit of a different story if someone's on a bike, because you know they're not going to be nicking your bike because they've got their own bike. Man, it's really rocky through here. It's going to take it easy a little. Well, that little path worked really well coming down the hill. Worked real nice. We're going to head up here to the right. There's a little sort of hidden alcove through here. Let's have a little bit of a look around up here. Nice little spot up here. Check out these cool little caves. Sorry, no caves, but yeah, in here there are some little hidden caves if you look around. All these cliffside walls here. If I shoot over here, should be able to get a bit of a view of the valley. So basically the river runs all the way through there. Such a cool spot. I might head to the top of that hill there. So yeah, we'll head over there. Let's turn him around. Yeah, loves it. Looking forward to getting a new rear tyre on though. It is fun having a bald one because you know you're drifting around everywhere on the dirt. But it would be better to have a little bit more grip for, you know, the corners when you're planting it sideways a bit. Right, so really rocky through here. Whoa. I reckon the rain has really worn out the topsoil. You can shoot up through there. Let's just have a quick look. Back here, there's like a little hut thing, as you can see. What we'll do, I think we're in, let's just chuck him in neutral. I don't know, it's just, neutral's a bit tricky in this bike, honestly. And the fact is, you don't really use neutral that much. You're really only doing that when you're parked, you know what I mean? Sit him there. I don't think anyone's going to be coming along and nicking that in a hurry. Yeah, let's have a quick look. Here's a little beast, by the way. PitPro 140cc. Absolute animal on the trails. Does really, really well. And honestly shocked at how reliable it is too. Yeah, check it out. So there's these old mining houses lying around the place up here. People come up here and, you know, have a little bonfire, you know, enjoy your snacks, do a bit of paint. Yeah. Tell you what, it'd be interesting coming up here after dark though. I've always wondered that. What I'd love to do is come up here after dark with some night vision goggles and do like a night walk. That'd be seriously sick. That would be epic. Switch you on. Hang on, let's go again. Sometimes, am I neutral? I am in neutral. Yep. Sometimes it likes to choke on. Maybe choke off actually. Let's go choke off. Yeah, I found this when you park and lean it on the side like that, it does have a tendency to die out on you. I'll give him one more go, like this, ready? Oh, that was your last chance too. And then I was going to do a roll start down the hill. Alright, we're back in action. I think what it is my carby is set on the rich side and I haven't really been thrashing it up here. So what happens is you're basically just filling up the carby with too much vapor, too much fuel, it's too rich to start, probably the plug's probably wet. Let's have a quick look in here. This is where the boys do a bit of paint, as you can see. Some new paint on the front there. Okay, so obviously some paint gonna go on that wall. Are you neutral? Yeah. Neutral, chuck him in. I think he's got a bit more to go on that wall there. This wall looks like it might be mostly done, I reckon. How about we shoot him around? A little bit of KFC there. Let's sit him that way.